Imagine walking into your workspace, confident that every task is streamlined and every strategy is sharper. Our AI for Media Relations Specialist course lets you transform daily routines by unlocking the practical power of artificial intelligence. With clear and easy-to-follow tutorials designed specifically for busy media professionals, you'll learn how to automate the repetitive parts of your job so you can invest your energy into creative storytelling and data-driven insights. This course isn't just about understanding technology. It's about enhancing your skills for a future where innovation is key. When you dive into this training, you gain hands-on experience through real-life exercises that make complex AI concepts accessible. You'll quickly see improvements in efficiency as AI handles press release creation, media monitoring, and report generation. Not only do you learn to work smarter, but you also earn certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. Every module is designed with actionable steps that help incorporate AI into your daily workflow, ensuring that you remain indispensable in any organization. The course is updated monthly, keeping you aligned with the latest tools and strategies that matter most. Whether you're new to AI or looking to expand your technical toolkit, this training adapts to your pace and professional needs. For those constantly on the move, there are insightful audiobooks that let you absorb valuable lessons during your commute or workout. Discover how mastering AI can elevate your media relations career. You can find all AI for Media Relations Specialists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com